Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today we're doing something a little different. No car content. See that? My skate blade cracked on me last week, and I haven't had to be at practice because it was the weekend, and now I have I gotta leave in like 45 minutes to be on the ice. So, what the hell? What's the worst that can happen? There's the bottom profile. I'm sure we can weld it up. The question is, can we skate with it after? Let's give it a shot. This is like the most Canadian thing ever. Welding a ice skate, hockey skate. Got her clamped with the good old vice grips. A little tack on either side, keep her straight. So I lost a little bit of footage, so now I'm back. Show you what kind of happened here. I had taken a piece of metal like this, and you can see light. I had a bump right about there. Can you believe it? Anyway, so I had to grind there, get the bump out. I just took the grinding disc and got it inside the groove of the skate, because the skate will have a groove on this edge and a groove on this edge with like a round divot in the middle, right? This is way too much explaining for a friggin' hockey skate. Anyway, I just got the lump out and I just worked it in here, and then I took metal chainsaw file like that. I just worked it back and forth. When I was done, if the skate is sharp, focus, you can see, I just wipe some of it off. There. You get little bits of fingernail. Means your skate's actually sharp. So, with that, this needs to be cleaned up more. Same with this other side. If I was going to get them actually sharpened by Allentown, best skate sharpener around, I need to get these edges smooth here. But for today, I don't care. Because the real test will be, can I skate with these damn things, or am I just going to biff her on my face? Only one way to find out.